Travis Campbell here of marketingprofessor.com, and I have with me today a special guest, the folks over at Headway Themes that create this WordPress theme. I want to encourage you to listen to the end of this video because you're going to learn what Headway Themes does or give you an idea of what they do, and also a special opportunity for you to get access to this theme at a little bit of savings, and we'll provide that toward the end of the video. But first off, I'd like to introduce to you Grant Griffiths. Grant, can you hear me?
I sure can.
Awesome. And Grant, where are you dialing in from today?
Clay Center, Kansas.
Kansas, okay.
Out in the middle of nowhere.
Out in the middle of nowhere. Very good. Well, I'm over in just outside of Denver, Colorado, so I'm actually next door to you. So we're both in the U.S. And wherever you're listening to this from, if it be it on YouTube or elsewhere, hopefully you can hear us loud and clear. So, Grant, tell me a little bit about just quickly what the background is on Headway Themes, what your story is, and a little bit about the product.
Well, Headway is I guess the brainchild of my youngest son. We were building custom sites for clients, and my son Clay, what he decided to do was kind of build a, lack of a better word, he was calling it kind of like a sandbox back then, just some way to quickly set up the basic layout of the site, lock it down, start coding, finish the site, and that's where the original layout editor come from. Really, it's just a way for him to quickly set up the columns and stuff. And what I did was I kind of tricked him. I got my hands on it, showed it to a couple of friends of mine, and they both said, I mean, everybody I showed it to said, you know, you need to really finish this. I said, what are you talking about? They said, you need to finish this, make this into a product and sell it, because this is too good to keep to yourselves. And that's really where the original version of Headway came from, Headway 1.0. Clay agreed. He kind of liked that idea, so what he did, he started building Headway 1.0 in April of last year. We released it on July 31st as Headway 1.0. Since that time, we've had some updates, and we just pushed out Headway 2.0 last week, which is a huge update with some really cool new features.
Now I have the about page up, and I think this is Clay and you, a picture of you guys. Clay doesn't look a day over 22, and you look a couple weeks older than 22. So that's interesting. Father and son working together in a business, and you know, a lot of people admire that. I admire that. I'd love to have that opportunity. Is that? I mean, you've been working together for a little over 2 years. How's that? Or is it a little over 1 year then? Isn't it?
Well, it's actually longer than that because we were working together because I was selling custom sites and Clay was building them. He started really building sites on WordPress when he was, gosh, I think 14.
Wow.
You know, he's only 17.
He's only 17.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was giving him the benefit of the doubt. So he's still in school and got to graduate high school soon, right?
He does. Yeah.
That is amazing. I had no idea. I had no idea.
People ask me about my business partner. I said, "What's my son?" And they go, "Well, you got 4 sons. Is it your oldest?" I said, "No, it's my youngest. He's 17." So,
amazing, amazing. And any of your other family members involved in the business?
No.
So one of the big challenges that people that want to build a site on WordPress, everyone's excited about WordPress, but one of the big challenges is, you know, how do I make it look like my brand, and how do I make it do what I want it to do? I mean, those are the people that you're trying to help out and make it easy with kind of a what you see is what you get, a WYSIWYG editor. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yeah, the really the heart and soul of the Headway theme is really the visual editor.
And I'm just cruising through your site here while you're talking, so go right ahead.
Yeah, nobody else that I know of has anything like the visual editor where you can actually, you know, take your site, build it, change it, make, you know, every element in the site, you know, from fonts to columns to colors to everything can be changed right in front of your eyes. You can watch it happen live and not have to, you know, save it and go back and forth between, you know, an admin panel or dashboard to your site. You can see it all happen right there in front of you.
Interesting.
And with 2.0, we added a new feature, which is the Quick Start Wizard, which when you first start up Headway for the first time on your WordPress dashboard, it brings up this quick start wizard for you, and what you do is you upload your banner or your header. Headway then with the quick start wizard will take the colors from your banner, give you those color choices, and you can put those into 4 different parts of your site by just dragging those color choices over. Hit build, and you can quickly build your site based on your header. You can, and the great thing about that quick start wizard is you can use that as your site, or you can take the visual editor then and make all kinds of changes that you want to.
Excellent. So, I see you've also kind of made it more search engine optimized and taking care of some of that stuff in the back end as well.
We've had SEO features in Headway since version 1. What we added to 2.0 was a search engine results page preview, which actually shows you on the post editor page in the WordPress dashboard exactly what your search results are going to look like in Google, and you can go right in there on that edit page for the post and change the words in that search result right there, and have those search results look exactly like you want. That's the new feature in 2.0, but we've had tons and tons of SEO features built into Headway from day one, and Michael Martin at Remarkablogger, who wrote what I think is one of the best books on WordPress SEO, helped us with that and continues to work with us, on every day practically on doing things like that. And of course, Michael helps me with the marketing, and he's done some of the videos that you see when you go to the features tour page too.
I kind of talked to you before we started hitting record. Now you're going to be able to offer a special deal for Marketing Professor subscribers and readers and those watching this video, and you did agree to that, right?
I did. Yeah. No, I'm happy to. I mean, I want to get Headway out there in as many hands as we can, and if we can, offer a discount to your subscribers, listeners, and watchers and viewers, that's what we want to do. So,
well, and I think you've got a real viable solution here, because people really get stumped on this whole thing, and if you can make it faster, quicker, and with less effort, then I'm all for that. And we've posted the information about your offer on the screen. So if you're seeing that, just go ahead and follow that information, follow that link, and it'll take you to the page where you can take action on that. Well, it's a great story, and I think a lot of people would love the opportunity to work with their son or their family or their dad. So it's an exciting story, and I appreciate the time that you took on this interview and the special offer. Any closing words for folks as it pertains to either WordPress or what you guys are doing?
I think the main thing is just have fun with whatever you do, and I almost feel guilty saying I work. So
right. Good for you.
And I think that's true for everybody. I think, whatever you do, have fun. That's really important.
Well, there you have it, folks. Sage advice from Grant Griffiths, the co-founder over at Headway Themes. Check out what they're offering over there, and be sure to take advantage of the special offer. My name is Travis Campbell with guest Grant Griffiths. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll speak with you next time on the web.